So I think what I'm gonna do is like kind of when I get new ones, if I get new, like keep throwing the new ones away or something. Like keep it at a certain like number, not too many. And I also had the what's it? The prepaid postage labels. However, like I feel like I don't need the what's the name, Hermes ones. And I'll just keep the Royal Mail because, like I said, the same thing. If you want to return one order like two parcels, it's good to have a prepaid label already because I just didn't need all of them, so I figured it'd be useful. So all this stuff is actually useful. I think it just seems strange to somebody who maybe doesn't even like take advantage of this system. So, but I don't think I'll need all the Hermes ones here. So yeah, I'm gonna put the H&M stuff back in there, what I want to keep. Have I told you about the bag? Oh, the book. You know, that one I've already talked about, but a quick recap. I'm keeping it because I'm in love with this book. And it's new, so I decided to keep this bag as well because I think it's nice that it's see-through and it's kind of cute. I like the handle. It's kind of this rounded up handle here, which I think is nice because, I don't know, I like that it's see-through and it's not as boring as some of the supermarket bags. So sometimes it's good to have a bag handy, right? So I'd rather get rid of some supermarket ones or some ugly ones. I'd actually kept this catalog for last, and I'll see. But I think what I'll do is like get rid of all the pages that I don't even need, and then just like keep some pages to remind me of the products. But I've actually not, decided that. But I think that's what I'm gonna do. And then the last bit, which deserves a bit of a talk about, what the heck, are actually, oh, 1 minute. Oh yeah, so I kept 2 receipts. Did I mention that from H&M? Yeah, I did. So I guess I have to show these. And then there's something I bought, another thing, return period. And the thing is, I think I could still return it, but I just love it so much. But yeah, I think I'm keeping that, so I think this can go as well. And then I have all these recipes. And I think it just happened to, it just started out, it's like, it started out with, that I got a couple of free recipe cards from, I think, Sainsbury's, which is a local supermarket. And I'd seen this really cute, recipe kind of card file thing from Paperchase, and it was so cute and I really wanted it. But I tried to talk myself out of it in order to save the money, and then later on I regretted it, wanted to go back and get it, and it was gone. And then I looked for something that I liked everywhere, and I thought I found one at WH Smith, but now I'm like, every time I look at it, even though it's really cute, I always look at it like, that's the thing I bought instead of the other one. So, but the design is really cute. If I saw it today, I might actually buy it again. So I'm a little torn on that one. But I think what I want to do is go through all my recipes at once rather than doing these now. Because I did say that in the intro that I kind of didn't mind the, like, not going with the right order 100% right now, just to clear my mind and get something done a little bit. But these, yeah, so these need to be like, I feel like I need all of them. And so I was torn because I realized, you know, since then I've started collecting recipes because every time I'm like, oh, that's cool, maybe there's recipes in here and stuff. And then I just keep them. But it's like, I don't feel like I need recipes. I just thought that this recipe file thing was so cute. But I love visually, so some of the cute ones, like desserts. But normally I would just like check online. But every time I see some cute dessert, especially if it looks kind of vintage or kind of really cute, well, not these, like this, it's just so pretty. It just brings me joy. Oh, that's so cute. So I think when looking for a dessert, for a recipe, I would like be more likely to check online. But so, you know, I like owning them though. So I think I need to see all of them at once. And the dilemma is kind of that most of the kind of foods that I was gonna like try to get myself into more, like things that I don't like butternut squash or something, and healthy stuff